Here's how to fix missing Instagram notes. Now, if you're on Instagram in the messaging basically portion of it and you don't see that notes feature at the very top, it's a fairly new feature that they've added. I'm going to walk you through all of the steps to be able to get it. So let's hop into Instagram here. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to tap on the messages at the very top, right? And now you can see at the very top is notes. I can tap that little plus and I can add any note that I want. I can basically share a thought. You just say hi and hit share. Now, if you don't see this, if this feature is missing for you, there are a few steps that you can go through. The first thing is, of course, just head into the App Store or Google Play Store, and we're just going to search for Instagram here and hit search, and we're going to just see if it needs updating. If it does need updating, just update to the latest version. As I said before, it's a fairly new feature, so if you haven't updated in a while, then just go through the steps of updating your app. Now, the next thing that we'll do is we'll hop into Instagram, and I've noticed if you switch to a professional account, it changes all of that messaging and gives you more functionality. Just by switching over to a professional account, a lot of times it helps to fix these bugs, basically with these notes not being showing up or working. So let's go back, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and then the 3 lines at the top right. Now let's tap on settings and privacy, and we'll just scroll down and you can see account type and tools towards the bottom. I'm going to tap on that and then hit switch to professional account. Now it doesn't really matter what you choose here. This basically can be whatever you want. It's completely for free. Anybody can do it. I'm going to choose creator here and hit next. And basically just go through all of these processes. So now that you've done that, basically you've unlocked a lot of added features that are only available for a professional account. So let's now tap home and tap the messages at the top right. Now you can see it should appear with those notes at the very top so that you can add any kind of note for yourself and see other people's notes. Now the last thing, if it still doesn't appear after going through all of these steps, let's just go back, tap on our profile at the bottom right, and those 3 lines at the top right. Now let's tap on settings and privacy, and we're going to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on help. And then let's tap on report a problem and report problem without shaking. Now what you're going to do here is hit include. Basically, you're going to explain this whole process. You went through all of these steps to activate the notes on your Instagram account, and they're still not active. I recommend taking a screenshot of your messaging and basically send this to Instagram, because at this point, you should have access to it. And if it's not showing up there, it's probably a bug or there's some issue with your account. Usually, they'll get back to you within a few days, and they should be able to push over that feature onto your account. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.